finally, it's time to be a funded six-figure trader with BOT Accelerated. Now, a lot of traders are getting funded, but with BOT Accelerated, there's going to be a lot more.
I am more focused, better use of my time, I make less errors. I highly recommend this mentorship program to anyone who is seriously looking into the trading and funding journey.
Even after watching just the live streams, people are becoming profitable and funded.
Watching you do it live, I feel enables me to learn so much more quicker than just watching it in the video, because you're like live explaining it. I think that's the best bit about it. And the community obviously is brilliant.
My eyes have been opened up a lot more as to like with other strategies while I'm getting stuff answered. It's just allowing me to see things a little bit clearer.
However, once you join the community, you take it to the next level. But BOT Accelerated, you go 10x.
Everything is in my hands right now. I know that how to pick the trades. I know how to get more than 70% win rate.
Even on the bricks of giving up, there's always that one trade that can get you back to break even, to then becoming funded and cashing out from the markets. And the beauty of Accelerated is the risk rewards from 5, 10, 50, even 20 hour a trade.
So you get the BLT stuff, which you'll get your hand, they will hold your hand through that stuff. And then you get the accelerated stuff as well. And then you get these one-on-one strategies where, just people who are doing one-on-one, the value is absolutely massive. And the mechanical strategies, there's no emotions, there's no second guessing yourself. Does it fit the rules? Yes. Jump in.
Now, if you want to take your trading to the next level and have me watching over your shoulder, then book a call for private one-to-one mentoring sessions.
So Diego were able to point out my mistakes very quickly, which helped with my learning curve. All the back testing and finding examples, going back in charts have forced me to develop the muscle memory.
100% confident now because I have someone who's killing it, holding my hand, teaching me each step the best way to do it.
And whether you're a silver, golden or platinum trader, we're going to make sure to take you to the next level and helping you every step of the way from one-to-one backtesting, journaling and trading live. Yeah, there we go. Good. Yeah, make sure you've got the widths correct, and then also make sure that the trend line that you're doing, there's a parallel trend. Now, just a glimpse into BOT Accelerated, we're going to have a leaderboard, which will be integrated with the CTI dashboard once that's released. Also, the Bank Level Traders General Chat. Live streams is where I'll be personally conducting my daily live streams in the London and the US session, and also any analysis requests, so you have direct access to me. Next up, we've got a trading floor, one-to-one live trading with myself, and live backtesting. Chart analysis, this is all customizable. Winning trades, losing trades, missing trades, biggest lessons, journal, backtest feedback. This is going to be very powerful for any traders within the community that wants feedback in the trades, because it's me giving you feedback and this will accelerate your progress. This is just an insight into BOT Accelerated. As you can see, we're still active within the community. We've got Troy here waiting for a setup. We've got Marco catching a 603 seconds, which is pretty decent. This is a channel where I'm going to be going live and it will really accelerate your progress. This is how I developed very fast, because we were trading with a professional trader that manages 8 figures. We were literally looking over his shoulder and he was correcting us as well in real time. And this is what I want to give to you, is to accelerate your progress as a BOT trader. Now, the purpose of BOT Accelerated is to essentially just accelerate your current progress. For example, this particular trade here, are you really going to hold it for 11.27R? But I'm going to show you just a brief glimpse on how you can actually hold these winners longer whilst being able to control your emotions and not being too attached to the trade. Removing the fear aspect of it, the fear of losing profits, the FOMO. Once you have certain rules in your trading journal, trading becomes a lot easier, which I go into more detail in the trading journal that I'm going to show you guys. So regarding the journal, I'll send you a link in terms of how to download it. And this is where you're going to be journaling your trades. This is the most important aspect of a trader. I will show you guys how to work closely with your MFE, how you can improve your trading, your stop losses and your TP. Okay, this is where it gets interesting when you're journaling your trades. You obviously put down your parameters and you just journal your trades, you know, your trade review, your biggest lessons, what did you do bad, etc, etc. And what's important as well, you will also learn how to use your emotions during, before and after a trade, and using them as emotional data points where you can backtrack in your journal and incorporate with the notion that we give you. Your MFE is where you're really going to grow. So instead of taking profits at this area, the MFE is going to show you how you can capitalize on the same move and actually target a much greater risk reward. So consider your journal as your laboratory where you improve as a trader. This is where your checklist is going to be. I've done a very specific checklist for the BLT Accelerated. It's literally rules step by step. You click inside of the checklist and it shows you the images and what you need to do, what you need to wait for. Once it's all confirmed, then you tick it. And for more information on the one-to-one mentoring program, then click the link on this video.